YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Nick Moore here coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing something. It's a package I got. So let's get it. Don't forget to smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, please press subscribe. That subscribe button. I need subscribers bad. I only have 59, so please subscribe. You have to, so I'm joking, but you should. Let's get into whatever this is. Oh, fuck. Okay, so we're diving in. I think it's a knife. I ordered this, like, not pocket knife. It's a knife, though. I think it's a knife. Let me just use my little pocket knife to get it. I mean, I was gonna unbox with this one, but this one's not sharp enough. This one's better to use. Like this. That's what it comes in. Right here. Oh shit. Can y'all see me? I'm just making sure y'all can. So no more using these knives. I might still continue to use this one though. But yeah, let's get it. Let me show you it. So it's right here. Gold. Not real gold, of course, but here it is. Yes, guys, I got the knife, bro. It's all gold. Oh shit, yo. Look at that joint. Look at that joint. Yeah, so there it is, guys. My gold knife I just got today. Pretty dope. Let's see how it cuts. Hold up, guys. So yeah, I was just like trying to get the blade to go back in. It was hard for me to get the blade back in, but as you all can see, I finally got the blade to go back in. Fuck those ads. Blade right here. I was having a problem. So yeah, here's what it looks like with the blade up. I'm just trying to murder people, but look, yeah. This is basically what it looks like. Oh my god, I don't want ads. I hate ads. There's a knife right here. I'm gonna be sitting right here. But yeah. It's like pushing on this thing to get the blade to go in. I don't care, God. So you just like push it there, and then you go. And then just you close the blade like that. I don't care! God, this ad's like long. See, I don't know what it's called though. There's a box that comes in right here. God, I don't want to have an ad playing during the whole video. Like, I don't care about this ad. It doesn't matter. Right here. And then you open it up and it's just like all gold. I might use this knife once in a while, but I don't want them opening. Ow. Oh, I don't care about the damn ad. Like, I don't fucking care, bitch. Sorry. Like, screw those ads, man. I just want to, like, thank y'all for 50 subscribers, even though I have 59 right now, but I want to just thank y'all for that. Please help me get to 100. I'm so desperate. Please. I need to get to 100 subscribers. I would really love to get to 100 subscribers. Please subscribe. I need it. I really would love the support. I don't know the brand of this knife. It's a knife that Bullet RC has. I found a link in the description. I ordered me one. He also has a black one, but I went with the gold. Yeah. I might be making a video tomorrow. Probably all week I'm gonna be making a video. I really don't know what else to say. Like, I might just spin my fidget spinner for a little bit. I might spin both. Sorry if this video is boring, but please still drop a like, please. Please, bro. Need a like. I don't need one, but I would really appreciate it, homies. See? It's gonna be sitting right here. Thanks, y'all. Thanks for the support, everyone. I really appreciate it. We're spinning two of these. Sound like we're gonna hit each other. What the hell happened? Yeah, I'm spinning two at a time. I'm gonna try to hold balance one on my thumb. See that, y'all? Hope y'all enjoy this. My 8th grade school year is almost over, everybody. Can't wait. And today was field day. It was fun. I really enjoyed it. So that'll be about it for today. I guess I'll just be like talking to you right now. I just love having a YouTube channel, everybody. I just love the support you guys are giving me, and my goal is to get a lot of subscribers and become like Pretty Boy Fredo or Bold RC. I want to become like one of them, or like Name Brand or something, or Tony D2 Wild. They all inspired me, so shout out to all of them. Tony D2 Wild, Bold RC. I know I've only been on here for about 2 months. Well, I first uploaded a video on the April 6th, 2017. Even though I've had YouTube since December or like November, like December 2013. I should have started uploading then, but I was only in 5th grade, so I tried uploading last school year, but my 2 videos didn't upload, so that's about it. This is Nick Moore here. Hope y'all have a great weekend. Have a great day. I'm out. Peace. Wait, should that be the end? I think it should be. Yeah. So, see y'all later.